Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free WooCommerce Wishlist Plugin. The name of the plugin is SaveTo Wishlist. Using this plugin, you can add a wishlist button on the single product page as well as on the shop page. Users will also be able to create multiple wishlists using this plugin. So let's see how we can install and use this plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. Now let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for SaveTo Wishlist. This is the plugin, SaveTo Wishlist Lite WooCommerce Wishlist. This is a new plugin. If you do not see this plugin here, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can download the plugin from here. So let's go back and install this plugin. Click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option SaveTo Wishlist, and under that you will see settings. So let's go to settings. These are the basic settings of this plugin. We are on the general tab. Now at the top you will see this option add cart products to wishlist, which is enabled. That means allow to add products in the cart to the wishlist. Auto remove product, which is also enabled. That means the product will be automatically removed from the wishlist when it is added to the cart. Below that you will see wishlist action, redirect the page. A user will be redirected to the selected page after adding a product to the wishlist. And there is one page created automatically, that is wishlist. So that is the one selected. So I'm not going to make any changes. Below that you will see add to wishlist button, whether it is pop-up or you want the user to go to the wishlist page. I'm going to use pop-up. If you make any changes, click on save. Let's go to the next tab, that is wishlist page. And this is going to be the title of the wishlist page on your website, my wishlist, and manage your wishlist. Here it is description. I'll show you how does this look on the actual website. Now here we have disable wishlist in my account, which is set to no. So we want to show the wishlist in my account page. If I go to website and this is my account, if I go to my account, you will see wishlist option is added on the my account page. If I go here, you will see the wishlist option. This is the title. You will see the title here, and manage your wishlist here. This is the description. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. And below that you will see first wishlist, which is a default wishlist. If the user wants to create multiple wishlists, they can create it from here. They can add a new wishlist and save the product in the wishlist. Let's go back. All right, so this option is not enabled. That means we are going to show wishlist in my account. Allow multiple wishlist, which is also enabled, and that's why we have an option here, add wishlist. Let's create a new wishlist here. Wishlist name will be, let's say, my shopping, and it is going to be default, let's say, and click on create. And you will see new wishlist is created. Let's go back. Now let's go to the next option, that is guest option. Disable guest wishlist. If you do not want guests to create a wishlist, you can disable this option from here. If you enable it, it will show the user to log into the website or create an account on the website so that they can create a new wishlist. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Click on save changes. Let's go to the next tab, that is button placement and styles. Let's go to the shop page here. This is the shop page, and you'll see a wishlist button is added on the shop page, on each product page. And you will see when I click on it, two wishlists are there. This is the one that we created, and this is the default one. So if someone clicks on it, it is going to show a pop-up. Let's click on it. You will see a pop-up, product added to wishlist. If I click on view wishlist, it will go to the wishlist page. Right, now let's go to single product page, and on the single product page also you will see this wishlist button. So I can click on it and I can add the product to the wishlist. All right, so I'm getting some error here, so let's fix it. Let's go to dashboard and let's go to settings and go to permalink, and let's save the permalinks. I'm not going to make any changes here, just click on save the changes. And just go back to website, my account, and go to wishlist. Here you will see the wish list. and here you will see the wish list. Let's go back. Let's go to the default one, and you will see the product is added to the default wish list. Right, let's go back and let's add one more product. Let's add this one. Let's add this one. I select the wish list, click on view wish list, refresh it, and you will see the product is added to the wish list, and this is going to be the default wish list for this user. Right, again, if I go to all wish list, we have one wish list here, that is the default one, and this is the new one. Right, let's go back, go to the settings. These are the style settings for the wish list icon. This is for the product page. If I go to single product page here, and here you will see top left of the product image. So where do you want to show this icon? Top left of the single product image, or you can put it above add to cart button, below the add to cart button, above product title, or below the product title. So these are the positions where you can show add to wish list icon. Currently we have it in the top left hand corner of the image. You can change the position. And button style, we have different button style. You can add text only, icon and text, icon and text peel. Then we have solid icon and text. So these are the options. Let's select this one and see this is how it is going to look. Let's save it. Let's refresh it, and you will see the change in the style. So this is how the icon will look. Let's try it below the cart button. Change the location, save it. Let's go back and refresh it. Now you will see the change in the position. Now it is not on the image, it is here on the product page. Here the text is not visible. However, I can go to the single product page template and customize the style settings. Right, so I'm going to change it back to the image, top left corner of the product image. Right, below that we have shop page. So let's go to shop page or any category page. And for the shop page also, we have it on the top left hand corner. You will see it here, top left of the product image. You can also put it above the product title, below the product title, above and below the add to cart button. Again, we have different styles. Let's try this one again. And this is for the cart page. Let's change the style for this one also and save the changes. Let's go to the page and refresh it. Now you will see the save to wishlist button here. I'm going to click on this one, change the wish list. Now you will see the product is added automatically. From here I can add the product to the cart. So let's click on add to cart, and product is added to the cart and it is removed from the wish list. So if I go to product cart, I can see the product in the cart, and on the cart page also we have this button here, save to wish list. Again, the text is not visible. I can customize the layout of the cart page. So you can add wishlist button on product page, shop page, and on the cart page. You can also change the position of the icon and the style settings, and user will also be able to create multiple wish lists. So it is very easy to add a wish list button on a WooCommerce website using this free plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.